Dear viewers, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the depths of mythology and spirituality. In today's episode, we will explore the divine and awe-inspiring character of Lord Rama, one of the most beloved deities in Hinduism. So sit back, relax, and join us on this mystical journey. Lord Rama, the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu, is a figure of great significance and admiration in Hindu mythology. He is known for his unwavering devotion, righteousness, and exemplary qualities that have made him an icon of virtue and dharma. Let's explore some of the key aspects of Lord Rama's life and teachings. Born in Ayodhya, the kingdom ruled by his father King Dasharatha, Lord Rama's life was filled with numerous challenges and adventures. His marriage to the beautiful and devoted Sita, his encounters with various sages and demons, and his ultimate battle against the mighty demon king Ravana make up the epic tale known as Ramayana. Lord Rama's life serves as a guide for people seeking righteousness and moral values. His unwavering loyalty towards his father, his respect for elders, and his unconditional love for his wife Sita exemplify the importance of family and relationships. He stood as a role model for the ideal husband, son, and a king. Now, let's delve into the significance of Lord Rama being called Adipurush. The term Adipurush translates to the original man or the primal being. It highlights Lord Rama's divine nature, representing the epitome of perfection in human form. He embodies the essence of righteousness, compassion, and strength, making him an unparalleled figure. In the battle against the demon king Ravana, Lord Rama demonstrated his divine prowess, showcasing his ability to conquer evil and restore balance to the world. His ultimate victory symbolizes the triumph of good over evil, inspiring millions to strive for righteousness in their own lives. Lord Rama's legacy continues to be celebrated by devotees worldwide. His teachings, as mentioned in the Holy Scripture, the Ramayana, provide guidance on how to lead a righteous life filled with compassion, love, and devotion. Many temples across the globe are dedicated to Lord Rama, attracting millions of pilgrims each year. And there you have it, dear viewers, a glimpse into the life and significance of Lord Rama, the epitome of virtue and righteousness. His divine qualities, his inspiring journey, and his victory over evil continue to resonate with people from all walks of life. Lord Rama, the Adipurush, remains a beacon of hope and a source of inspiration for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share it with fellow seekers of wisdom. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more contents. Until next time, may Lord Rama's blessings be with you. Jai Shri Ram.